Hello my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Okay, today I'm continuing my Christmas ideas, tips, or whatever, however you want to say it, to make your Christmas holiday parties, dinner, functions, get-togethers very festive and successful. So today I'm doing something that's very underrated but very delicious, and if you do this you will be impressing. I'm always trying to think of stuff to impress your family, friends, co-workers, and to get-togethers, neighbors. So today I'm doing an old school, it's not really old school, but I'm going to put old school on it because I'm making it my own. Old school orange cranberry relish. It's more like a cranberry sauce, cranberry relish, but it's very festive and very good on ham. This stuff is awesome on ham. I like it on dressing sometimes. I like it on turkey. So anyway, let's get started. Before I get started, please like, share, comment, and skip this notification bell on my video. I really like the thumbs up. That's very important, and the comments are very important. So YouTube will still keep continuing sharing my videos, and y'all to get them also. So anyway, let's get started here. I'm using fresh cranberries. Fresh cranberries in this time of year are very easy to find. They're everywhere in the grocery stores. Right when you walk in, they got it right in your face because they need to sell them. And I'm putting orange juice in here. Fresh orange juice. That's very important. Okay, got that in here. All this is dumped in the pot. I'm dumping everything in the pot except the cornstarch. I got fresh orange zest. Can't even talk today. I got white sugar and regular brown sugar. Now the sugar, I'm gonna taste it after it, because some cranberries are bitter, more bitter than others. So sometimes I might have to add more sugar to the cranberries after they cook. But we'll check that out after it's cooked. Okay, a little nutmeg, a little cinnamon, and my orange zest. Get that all out of there. Move that over. And that's it, y'all. We're going to let this boil. And what we need to do, this need to come to the boil. And these cranberries, they need to pretty much pop open. You want them really pop open and let them boil. It's going to take about 10, 15, sometimes 20 minutes, depending on how firm the cranberries are. And make sure you go through your cranberries when you open them up. Sometimes there's some stem in it. Did I miss one? No, that's brown sugar. Sometimes they have stems in them. You know, so when they clean them, they miss them. And so you want to go through and make sure you don't have no stems left on the cranberry. So we're going to let this boil. Come to a boil. And I'll be right back and show you the next step. Very simple recipe. All I'm going to do is bring it to a boil. We're going to thicken up with cornstarch and let it cool. And that's it. Very simple. So we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. Okay. Now y'all can see how the cranberries have popped. And you'll actually hear them popping. They don't pop on you, but you'll hear them popping as they're cooking. And that's what I want. I want them to pop. But I don't want all of them to pop because I want to actually see some cranberries in it after I thicken them. Okay, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to taste it, make sure it has enough sugar in it before I thicken it. Let's see here. Let me see here. Let me see. I think it's okay. Oh yeah. Okay, now all I did is made a slurry with the cornstarch. Y'all know slurry, all it is cornstarch and water. And we're gonna thicken this up. You don't want it too thin and you don't want it too thick. And this is where you gotta really be careful, because this stuff will pop on you and make you where you don't ever want to make this again. Put a little bit more on it. I know that's enough there. And the thing is, you want to cook the cornstarch out. Let me get my whisk here. Just really whisked up in there. Oh yeah. Perfect. But the key is to cook out the cornstarch. And that's the thickness I want, y'all. Now I'm going to turn it off. Very simple here. And pour it in my bowl here. And that's it, y'all. We're going to let this cool. And after it cool, I'm going to come back here. And I'm going to show you how it's set up and how pretty it is after it's cool. Like I say, this stuff is good on, see if y'all can see what I'm doing. Yeah. This stuff is good on ham. I love it on ham, turkey, and even put some on my dressing. Other than my other kind of cranberry sauce that come out the can. This is very good. Very simple to make, as you see what I did. So anyway, this stuff is so good. I will be back. I'm going to put it in the fridge, let it cool 4 or 5 hours. Come back and give it a good taste and see how it is. And close out the video. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, the cranberry sauce, or the orange cranberry relish is cool. Look at that. See how thick it's gotten? That's what I want. What you do, you just put it in the bowl like this. This is how you would serve it on your Christmas table. See that? See how pretty that is? That nice orange in there. See that? Let me taste a little. And like I say, this stuff is so good, y'all. Like I say, I eat it on even dressing. Ham, turkey. Look at that. Very simple. Very Christmassy. Very festive, y'all. Put that on your buffet table. Christmas, and shoot, you can even eat it with cheese. Brie cheese and stuff like that. It's even good on that. And the thing about this, you can refrigerate this a couple of weeks. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to actually put this in my food saver bag or your Ziploc bag if you have food saver. And you can freeze it. It freezes very good. Or you can leave it in the refrigerator. I'm going to freeze this because I don't take up extra space in my fridge. Put it in my freezer. A week of Christmas, pull it out, let it thaw out. It tastes just as good. You ain't got to do nothing to it. You ain't got to add nothing to it. It'll be just as good. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this little short video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share. Please comment. Please follow my social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Twitch TV, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day.